So we got the Kärcher 1700. It's good for like doing your siding. You just turn the foot pedal on or off, and then when you pull the trigger, it comes on. This is good for siding. You can get the driveway a little bit, as you can see. There's some spots that it works pretty decent. This is not the strongest. If you got to do a lot of jobs, you're going to need to get a stronger one or gas powered, but I've used the gas and it's just kind of a hassle. So I decided to do this for the Cyber Monday deal, and I'm satisfied with it. But again, if you need something powerful, this is not it. This is for like just basic home maintenance. I hope this helps.